Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Michelle Dube. I'm the founder of Sweets and Snacks Boutique. It's based in Davidson. I started this business a few weeks ago. It's only about almost a month. The reason why I started was because of that. I love being creative. So I love doing anything creative. So yes, we offer sweets kebabs, and then we also offer sweets cups, and then yes, we also cater for birthday celebrations. Yes. And then if you need any of my services, you can contact me on 067 713 5063. And then if you can also follow my page on Facebook, Sweets and Snacks Boutique. Hi, my name is Michelle Dube, and I'm a township entrepreneur.